Oh, that looks good. We are making prawns sauteed in garlic and whatever else, butter and what was the other thing that you just put in there? Speak, honey, speak. What was the other thing?
Black pepper.
Just black pepper? That was it?
And then
really?
some other thing.
Man, it looks good. Smells freaking excellent. Me likey. Okay, today is Saturday, August 8th. And we're both a little tired. Her more so probably because she really worked legs hard today, so she can hardly move. Whereas we were both in the gym today, trying to get back into this fitness thing.
And now he's eating jams.
And now we're eating.
He wants to eat jams.
So yeah, I had to stop the other video because I was scolded for showing the messy, dirty kitchen, which she doesn't want anybody to see. So I took that one away. So anyways, so that's the first portion of dinner. It looks really damn good too. Oh man, oof, yummy. And then we have a scooter over here that we just picked up a few weeks ago. We ordered it when I was still in the States, but picked it up right after I got here. It is a 2020 Honda ADV 150. And we haven't really been able to go out and enjoy it because they have so many goofy laws pertaining to scooters, passenger riders and whatnot. So we're just kind of waiting for things to kind of calm down on the COVID-19 front, and so we can get out and ride this thing together. I can go out and ride it, but I'm not going to just take off and ride around without the wife. So we can wait. Meanwhile, she'll just sit here and look pretty. So what else do we got here? Green beans. What else, honey?
Just green beans.
So what are we eating for dinner? We're prawns, steamed prawns, sauteed prawns.
Not steamed.
Well, what is it?
Butter.
Garlic butter. Okay, so they're sauteed.
And then sauteed the string beans.
String beans, and then
With oyster sauce.
with oyster sauce. Okay. And that's what's going in next.
Yes.
Far out.
I don't know.
Yeah, this is sweet.
I have to reuse the pot.
Hold on, what's that?
I have to reuse the pot to cook the vegetable.
Okay.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Yeah. Simple
Just
days.
like that.
Simple days for dinner.
Simple dinner.
We cannot eat more because we need to take we have to use the weighing scale every morning.
Okay. Yeah, we gotta watch out then. There you go. Check it out.
You cannot cheat on your food.
Okay, yeah, you're saying that because you know somebody else might be watching this video here.
Yeah. Hi, Coach.
Yeah.
You might be watching. You might be going. It happens that you're going to watch this video.
Yeah, she's being good. I'm watching her. I'm watching.
I'm not going to cheat my food.
Okay, so there you have it. There are green beans in the cast iron frying pan. One of which several I have brought over from the United States. Well, in Balik Bayan boxes, that is. I got one or two more cast iron cookware is coming here soon. Anyways,
Okay.
say hi.
I'm sweating all over.
Oh yes, you are. Hot as hell out here. Hot as hell everywhere. Okay. Okay, hon, what do we got?
We have butter garlic prawns, and sauteed string beans.
So garlic buttered prawns.
And sauteed string beans, fresh from the farm today.
Sauteed string beans. Yeah, we walked outside. Okay, this is how it went. We walked outside of the gym today after our workout, and there's like 3 Filipino guys sitting outside, and they were kind of sorting through some fresh vegetables, and we were like, let's check this out. So we walked over and started talking to them, and they had all kinds of good stuff. Eggplant and what else?
The lofa.
Loofah. Yeah, they had a bunch of stuff, and then they had these fresh beans just sitting there.
Eggplants.
And then we struck a deal with them and bought some fresh vegetables off them, and that's part of it right there, the beans. And then after
fresh from the sea,
we were done with that, we went over to the wet market in Alamino City and we bought prawns, fresh, very fresh, and those cost about what?
450 per kilo.
450 peso per kilo.
Yeah.
450 pesos is about $9 USD, right around there. So, and that's not all of it, right? We got plenty more put away. But she did a wonderful job. Everything looked great, and it smells superb.
Let's eat.
So there we have it. Meal ready to eat, and that's about it. Yeah. And yeah, we're out in the dirty kitchen here doing all this. So yeah, we got the stove, the stove burner over there. That thing over there on the left with the blue cover is actually a pizza cooker, and I packed that up in a Balik Bayan box and sent it over here thinking, hey, we can make some homemade pizzas. Well, the only problem is we've got to find all the good ingredients, the best ingredients we can possibly find to make pizza. We'll see how that goes. So we do most of our cooking out here, pretty much all of it actually. She does, I shouldn't say we, I don't want to steal credit for that. And we still have the washing machine, got that last year when I was here in March when we got married. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Put a fan in here, up on the ceiling. It's kind of one of those orbital fans, kind of blows in 360 degree rotation, so we can get some air in here, and that's about it. Anyways, I better get in here. We're fixing to eat. Take one more glance. Everything looks great. Got the rice, got the beans, got the prawns, and that's gonna pretty much do it for us tonight. All right. Thanks, and talk to you soon. All right, bye.